Welcome to our assembly guide for your new bedside table. This video will walk you through the easy steps to set up your bedside table, designed for both practicality and style in medical environments. First, carefully unpack the box. And remove all components. Lay the components on a clean surface to avoid any damage. Here's a quick overview of what you will find inside the box. A. Front panel, 1 number. B. Side panel, 2 number. C. Back panel, 1 number. D. Drawer, 1 number. E. Extendable tray, 1 number. F. Tabletop, 1 number. G. Bigger shelf, 1 number. H. Smaller shelf, 1 number. I. Angle brackets, 2 number. J. Casters, 4 number. K. Self drilling screw, 8 number. Step 1. Attaching the back panel. Let's start with the back panel. Place it upside down position on a clean flat surface. Step 2. Attaching side panels. Take the 2 side panels and insert them into the slots of the back panel, as shown here. Step 3. Attaching the front panel. Now gently press and secure the front panel into place. Step 4. Attaching angle brackets and casters. With the table upside down, align the angle brackets with the holes provided for the casters. Tighten them securely using the self-drilling screws, then press the casters into place. Step 5. Installing shelves. Open the cabinet door and place the bigger shelf at the bottom, ensuring it fits properly. Step 6. Installing the smaller shelf. Now position the smaller shelf above the bigger shelf. This will help maximize your storage options. Step 7. Installing the drawer. Now slide the drawer into its designated position, making sure it fits snugly. Step 8. Installing the extendable tray. Next, slide the extendable tray into position above the drawer for easy access and enhanced functionality. Step 9. Attaching the tabletop. Now take the tabletop and press it firmly into place, securing it onto the structure. Step 10. Closing the cabinet. Once the shelves are in place, close the cabinet door securely. Step 11. Final inspection. Your bedside table is now fully assembled and ready for use. With its sturdy design, extendable tray, and convenient towel hangers, it's perfect for patient care and medical environments. Thank you for choosing our bedside table. For additional support or inquiries, please refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team. We're here to assist you.